I both know what's going on. No secret there, it's in the air. It's getting harder to ignore, to pretend we're unaware. Will we ever get out of no man's land? Will you ever cross the line and take my hand? I've been waiting for you to let me in. You're playing with time and I'm wondering if you'll ever be mine and more than my friend. But not just yet, I'll stay silent. I'll wait in no man's land. I'll wait in no man's land. I'll wait in no, 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 no. I'll wait in no man's land. I'll wait in no man's land. I'll wait in no man's land. I'll wait in no, 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 no. I'll wait in no man's land. I see the way you look at me and keep a smile for a while. There's no denying chemistry. The spark's alive, it doesn't lie. Will we ever get out of no man's land? Will you ever cross a line and take my hand? I've been waiting for you to let me in. I'll wait in no man's land. I'll wait in no man's land. I'll wait in no, 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 no. I'll wait in no man's land. I'll wait in no man's land. I'll wait in no man's land. I'll wait in no, 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 no. I'll wait in no man's land. Will we ever get out of no man's land? Will you ever cross the line and take my hand? I've been waiting for you to let me in. My tears are salty streams, tributaries that feed the blue ocean of my soul, to wash the lies we left untold. There's a world of colors I don't understand. My life is monochrome without your hands. I used to live in technicolor by your side, and through the darkness your light would shine. Without you, I'm blue. Without you, I'm a shipwrecked sailor on an unforgiving sea. I'm calling out, but I'm trapped in misery. And all my cries, they echo for miles. Do you even hear me scream? The dark blue sea tries to swallow me, but I don't wanna live like this. I'm tired of being colorless, and I know there's more. On you, I'm done falling for your lies. You fooled me once, it's hard to trust. You won't fool me twice. I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth, you talk a big game but you're reckless. Why can't I leave you? I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth is laced with little lies and I'm broken. Why can't I leave you? Why can't I leave you? You leave me guessing. You got 1 foot in and 1 foot out. You leave me a mess when it's 3 a.m. and I'm alone on the couch. You walk a fine line between your days and your nights. You broke me once, but I like to love what isn't right. So I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth, you talk a big game but you're reckless. Why can't I leave you? I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth is laced with little lies and you're broken. Why can't I leave you? Why can't I leave you? I should just leave it. You never mean what you say when you say that you'll stay. You never mean what you say when you say that you'll stay. You never mean what you say when you say that you'll stay. Never mean what you say when you say that you'll change. So I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth, you talk a big game but you're reckless. Why can't I leave you? I take everything you say with a grain of salt, 'cause every little word that comes out your mouth is laced with little lies and I'm broken. I should just leave you. Why can't I leave you?